Hi gang, I know I haven't posted in a while, and since my last live update there have been quite a few things going on. I'm actually in a new filming location. I've switched to the spare room and I have recreated the background that I had previously. There are a few furniture pieces that are still to come, mainly the dining table as well as a sofa. So I do have some exciting news about the wedding. We actually have a date, finally. It's going to be towards the end of July. In the past 2 weeks, I have been worrying about the approval for our eligibility to get married. I was also worried about my health insurance. I was worried about my visa. I did try to record some videos. I kept forgetting to set my microphone volume to a reasonable level. So right now everything seems to be in place. There aren't really any loose ends to tie up, and I'm definitely a lot less stressed out. Okay. Also, quick shout out to Mas. Hi Mas. Mas is a good friend of mine from back in Singapore. We met when we were about 12, 13 years old. And the first thing I said to her was, "Do you like Britney Spears?" Anyway, she sent me a kind of wedding gift package. She sent me some makeup from Catkin, which I have heard about, but I never actually got around to trying. Their packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is their Co5 eyeshadow palette. And if you look at that front, you can see the illustrations, the clouds, the birds. It's very kind of inspired by traditional Chinese paintings, which is gorgeous. And in the inside, you've got quite a large mirror and these shades. So I have played around with this palette just a little bit. They are more of your everyday neutral warm shades. I do like the way they perform. They're very nicely pigmented. The shimmers are nice. And the mattes blend out really smoothly, and I didn't have any problems with the quality. I think this is a good option. It's really pretty. She also did get me some liquid lipsticks from Catkin. Again, the packaging is to die for. I love the packaging. And this is not just a flat kind of printed sheet. It's got these raised edges where the details are, where the outline is. It's so beautiful. It feels luxurious. It looks gorgeous. And I haven't actually worn these liquid lipsticks for an extended period of time. It's one of those liquid lipsticks that don't completely dry down matte. And there is a little bit of a sticky feel. So thank you very much, Mas. I really appreciate it. She also did throw in some other things. This is one of my favorite. It's this tissue box kind of cover. It's just a piece of cloth. You have a nice design. There's some batik print on it. It's very pretty. She mentioned that she watches this channel and she particularly likes the music-inspired makeup series, which is fun. I mean, I'm glad someone likes it. I don't get a lot of views on the music-inspired makeup look. We bond over music a lot. I recall there was one period of time we would answer anyone's question or statement with a song verse. We would sing a song verse, and that song verse would have a word which that person's question or statement had. If one of our friends said, I feel thirsty, I need some water, we would probably sing, "You don't miss your water till the well runs dry." We did that for a really long time. So let's move on to this, what I was supposed to be doing in this video. I am going to be showing you what my intended bridal makeup look is going to be. So this is going to be my outfit for the wedding day. This kabaya wears like a cardigan, and there is a sarong in here, a piece of fabric that you wrap around your waist to create a skirt. Those are the beaded shoes that I'll link them down below as well. They have this goldfish motif on it. They're gorgeous. It's got some turquoise tones in there, some orange tones in there. That's also why I decided to select a sarong that has some turquoise tones running through it. green accents on in the embroidery of this kabaya, yellow accents, some purple hues in here, some pinks. The sarong itself, lots of turquoise, a lot of, and this deep kind of mustard shade. I have looked through my entire eyeshadow collection. The main palette I will be using for the matte shades, I didn't expect this, but the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette in collaboration with Morphe. I know Morphe is controversial, however, I already do own this Morphe palette, and I think the formula is good. And the reason why I chose this palette is because it has different tones that can all build up to this nice deep red over here. So I will be using various tones from up here to kind of create the crease and slowly deepen it up. The main matte shade is going to be this reddish shade, and I can also deepen it up with this shade right here. So a lot of shades to play with, and therefore would give me a nice looking gradient. So, and that's really what I'm looking for. The makeup that I'm going to do today is definitely not something I would put that much effort in if it was just a regular makeup look. Because it's going to be on my wedding day, I'm going to take some extra time, put in some extra work, and put in a lot more detail to the eye look. So that's why I'm also going to be using an array of shimmer shades. Some of them are from Looxi Beauty, some of them are from Pastel Roses UK. Shout out to Kat. Hi Kat. Kat was the person that introduced me to Pastel Roses UK, and I love, love, love their formula. Their shades are so beautiful and interesting. Let's get cracking. I've already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, the original formula. Okay gang, so this is the finished look. These aren't really the lashes that I plan to go with. Unfortunately, my more dainty lashes, the band has broken. So I just picked up the lashes that I had closest at hand. These are going to be a bit too dramatic for my taste for the wedding day. Other than that, the eyeshadow look, I practiced it a few times, and yeah, that is the color scheme that I'm going for. As you can see, it matches the sarong kabaya quite nicely. The lipstick that I have on is actually a gift from a friend of mine, Louise. Hi Louise. The Mattemoiselle lipstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Spanked. And I think it matches this look very nicely. If I have to wear a mask, I might not be able to wear this lipstick because this is very transferable. Tomorrow, Martin and I plan to get vaccinated, and that will also help the whole situation along. I think most of his family members have either already gotten their first shot of the vaccination or have been fully vaccinated. So hopefully by late June, which is when the wedding is, most of us, if not all of us, would be vaccinated. That will give me peace of mind, because the last thing I would want is to have that ceremony and then find out that we spread something. I hope everything's going well for you guys. I hope you guys are being safe. And yes, please get vaccinated if you can. So yeah, that's it for me. Take care and ciao for now.